Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will be checking out an exciting new desktop. The name of the desktop is Unity. It is an old desktop. The development was discontinued, but now Ubuntu has again started the development of this desktop because of the popular demand. So in today's video, we'll be checking out the Ubuntu Unity 8 desktop. It comes with a Ubuntu 22.04 LTS base. So let us start with the installation, and in the next video we will check out the desktop itself. So this is how the Unity desktop looks, and let us start with the desktop installation, and in the next video we will do a detailed review of the Unity 8 desktop. So let us start. I will double click on the installer icon, and that should start the installation of the Ubuntu Unity. Let us see what is there different in the installer of Ubuntu Unity as compared to the other Ubuntu based installers. Is this installer based on the new Flutter based installers developed by Ubuntu? I think it looks like just the standard Ubuntu installer that is found in the Ubuntu ISO. So you have to select the English language at the first, hit the continue button. So this is not the Flutter based installer that Ubuntu has developed recently. It is the older installer that was found in the 20.04 and 22.04 LTS versions. Now hit the Indian keyboard layout and select the India English with UP. This is good for me. You can choose the layout of your choice. And now the option is to do a normal installation, download updates while installing Ubuntu. So this is all pretty standard Ubuntu options. Hit the continue button. You can do manual partitioning. Create a new partition table. Create a EFI system partition. You can create a swap space if you want. If you don't want, you need not create the swap space. If the swap space is there, you can hibernate the system. If the swap space is not there, you cannot hibernate the system. So it is your call. For you, I will do the swap partition. I will use around 2000 MB will be good enough. And the rest I will. You can use all this, or you just go with 20. You can go with the 25 GB. 25 GB is good enough, and use the ext4 journaling system. You can go with any other journaling system. If you want, let us go with the XFS. I think we have done one video with XFS also. I don't remember it was JFS or XFS. Let us go with the XFS this time. In some other Ubuntu video, we will go with the JFS also, that is the journaling file system. You have to experiment. Okay. Now in the mount point, just format the partition option. Okay. It is a new partition, so it will anyway going to get formatted. And now you have to hit the install button. All our partitioning looks correct to me. Yes, everything is correct. And now the confirmation. Now the installation starts. The bootloader installation will be done in the virtual hard disk at the start of the virtual hard disk. Local is properly selected. So this is a standard Ubuntu installation. There is no change. That's done. The user is configured, and now the installation start. We wait for the installation to complete. If you want, we can see the verbose, what is going on in the system, how the installation is proceeding ahead. Okay, so the installation is complete. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the Ubuntu Unity 8 desktop.